Hi everyone, this is beautiful sunny Spain, as they say. Just had a bit of snow come down last night and this morning. It's only about an inch, I suppose. It's about 2.5 centimetres, but it's still good fun to go out and play in. And currently Joan is riding the bike, and you'll see her come up this track in just a moment. Lovely day to take the bike out, and there is the bike over there, and this is us enjoying the snow and having lots of fun.
It's beautiful.
Beautiful weather, lovely sun. Oh no, it's not, lovely snow.
I love it.
So we've seen a few cars about, which crazy people have got four-wheel drive vehicles with normal road tyres on. Absolutely crazy. So we're going to carry along a road. Bike's doing really well. These new tyres that last video I did on them, the new big horns on, oh, brilliant tyres in the snow, absolutely brilliant, loads of grip. So we're going to head off. Not sure if we're going over that way or whether we're going to go over that way there. We shall see. Catch you later. My assistant who was filming that because they're not too cold, but normally this is a very popular with cyclists, but not today. Okay, so we're going to keep on heading through a little ways. Not sure how far we're going to go. Again, these tyres on this bike are just amazing. Grip on it. We've seen a few tracks, car tracks, but the cars, but it just stopped. It's not surprising really. It's not ideal for a normal vehicle. Okay, we're going to carry on up the road. Right, now that we've stopped just here to see how deep the snow is. Not too bad over there. Over here, yeah, it's quite deep. It is. Yeah, it's quite deep. Blimey, very deep.